how to use other people's videos to make money from Facebook. You can make up to $5,000 from Facebook by uploading other people's content. You know that a lot of them before say they making money in life in general. Not people who work hard pass, now who work smart pass. My videos will be so let me create. If you create video, that video will fetch me like $50 for a month. Another content creator will carry that same video, package them again. You go upload that for a platform. You go use that to make $200 at the end of the month for that one video. So you see, say not be work hard pass, now work smart. So I want to show you if you use other people's videos, they make money from Facebook every month. You know that. Let me show you. The thing what you go do now to get a CapCut, enter CapCut, click on this app CapCut. You know understand. Then enter new project. Click on that new project. You know understand. Then click on photos. Make you enter the pictures where you want to use your photo where you want to attach to the person video. You know understand. See the one I select for you. This is my fine picture now select. You know understand. Now the video where you want to use you already download that for your phone before. So you go enter you go click overlay. Then go enter add overlay. Go click on videos. Now carry that video, that person video. So where you want to create the content. So just carry them. I choose this particular one we did there. So wait, make it load. You know that's when you download, you go see before you start the editing. Now, if I never say that Nigerian monetization link, comment I'm interested, make a send out for you because I don't talk before say from now to December. I want to say make like at least 100 people they monetize because Nigeria is not eligible for monetization. You don't need anybody for abroad to help you monetize your Facebook. As long as you in Nigeria, you get Facebook. If you monetize your Facebook, they earn money from videos where they upload. You know that's now the video don't upload now. Now drag them, make it this small, make it not cover the full screen, make your picture see the show for the background. You know see the word drag now, you know they see me now. Now make sure see the picture that your background picture so you drag her to the full length of the video. Make it not be say when the video don't play finish the picture don't pass. No, you go drag the picture, make it be the same length with your video. You see the word they drag her, so drag her like that you reach the ending of the video. You see the word doing like this now. Now delete this CapCut watermark from the video, make it not show inside. If you delete it, click on delete it, don't come out. So the next thing now, we still the editing process. So now check the audio. First
you sell your ass for Nigeria. You sell your ass for Nigeria just to go abroad. To go pack shit for more than 5 to 15 years of your life.
So this is very, very easy. And if you do it like this, you use until they make money. You don't mean now you create the video. If you use other people's videos, they make money. Now, what I want to do for this point now, I want to increase the sound of the person. The original sound, the way the person take talk and not too fast. Now I want faster, make it not be like the same voice with that person. You know understand? Because another trick that they increase the speed of the talk of the person. That already increase the way the sound. It got different from the way the person take talk before. You know that's like everything na packaging. You know that's now. Another thing you feel do again, you feel attach the person. Let's say now the video they talk about. If you go put the video picture for the background too. You know some people not agree they know they read caption. They see the video picture they want watch. So if you put the video picture too for attach and join. If you drag out to any place where you want me for the background. Now don't put that for the now remove background from the video. Click on remove background from the picture. Remove background. Now when you don't remove the background finish. That background will come out. The video picture will call it that place. That is by hand. You see, now. So you will call drag and make it big way. Drag and make it big, small. So people will feel see and say the video now the video they talk about. So even if they not even read the captions, as they see the video picture, they still watch the video. You know understand?
This will not even take me 2 minutes of my time. Very, very simple. And at the end of the month, Facebook will see they pay you money for other people's videos where they upload on your platform. You know understand? You get what Facebook they call originality of content. They know they like me you carry other people content on your platform. So that editing when I show you now, if you do one like that, you are not the real creator, the new creator of this particular one, because this is what you upload, what you edit like this, they differ from the original one where that person upload. And the funniest thing is that for social media, not be work hard pass, now work smart, now they make money. That video will be say the original creator. Let's not me be the person, let me get the video now. I feel make $50 from that video, make you wear editor like that. Or package like that, go put that for your platform, make you make $200 at the end of the month from that same video. So now all about being smart. So many of them when they worry say, I'm not a social media person. This one I show you now require your face or for you to come social media. No. And for you say maybe you want to create content, but you never know how you want to start. Start with this one. We tell you with the master camera because the giganess way they get now. If they don't put camera for your front, you know go get that same giga again. No. Your moral go weak once. That same time they say they talk when camera not face you. If they put camera for your front, so you talk them now, it go hard you. So with why you don't do all this one, small the content will enter your spirit. As you create other, as you use other people's video on your page, you will see they bring out your own. Sometimes you will still talk that same way the person talk. Go look for like up to 3 to 4 content creators who they admire on the social media. Study them. Which type of content that they create, they follow them like that. You know, before you look now, you go to get the admiration, you go to do and practice the same thing that they do. combine different people together. If you like Gege, do the same thing Gege they do. You like other content creator, combine and shake her together. Use that to form your own. You know understand? And Facebook they pay you money. I know up to 2 girls, where they make money from this same thing. I tell you. Sometimes Gege, this month I make $2,000. I would laugh. I don't be there creating those videos. I make $5,000 so from people content. But as long as you already add your spike, or that picture with the background on your picture, the music where you add for the background on your picture, as long as you already speed the person talk, the speed when you take the talk, you already speed and small. Not be voice, not be if you walk there again, now you walk there now. So you're not the original creator of this new project. You know that. So attach all these things. If you follow me from now to December, and you not create, you not become a successful content creator, I beg, as we enter January, unfollow me because really put 70 on the tissue for you. You know the supporter, you know the follower. You know that. So if I never send you the monetization link, I they said to everybody, you know, say it's not really easy. Go share comments. More than 4,000 comments. More than 4,000 comments. You know that. So to reply all those things, I got that is what they do. So if I never see send for you before, if you see comment, I'm interested. If I don't send for you, not comment, I'm interested again. You know understand. So tell me thank you. Tell me thank you for this is on the show now. Tell me thank you. You know understand. So more than the support on ourselves because even if I send you the link, if you never reach 5,000 followers, you're not going to still make money. You know understand. So more than comment follow for follow back. More than they follow on ourselves, they support on ourselves. You go big content creators page we don't know you, they support them. And you will never grow. More than support on ourselves for the comment section. Follow on ourselves back. More than grow on ourselves together. So if you they make small thing from Facebook, you know understand. Thank you. One love. Get gay.